Hello you guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. This is my morning breakfast. Okay, if you guys watched the video that I posted yesterday, when my husband took me out to Outback Steakhouse. Now remember this right here, I didn't eat all my steak and stuff, so I said, you know what? People eat steak and egg for breakfast, right? Right? So I said, this is a good idea. You know, my leftover steak. And then what I did, I just scrambled me some eggs. I put some peppers, what you call that? Let me show you what I put in there. This green chili, that's what I put. It mixed with my egg with the little salt and black pepper. So that's the green stuff that you see in it. But anyway, I did me some French toast and some potato. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you have any questions, subscribe if you don't mind. I really appreciate it. And this, again, if you already subscribed to my cooking channel, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. God bless. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on. And you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Now, what they do this right here, they grill this and so that is really good. But anyway, I just want to come back and show you guys what I'm eating for breakfast. Okay? Yes. Only thing I do was this from the Outback Steakhouse, and the scrambled egg and the French toast. And I'm gonna show you what kind of French toast they sell, you guys. Okay, so that's the French toast I use, and it's pretty good, you guys. And the hash brown, this is what this is. Easy breakfast, I guarantee. So you know I got my coffee on deck in my mug. All right, so I'm gonna get out of here, and I'm just enjoying my breakfast. Yes, look at that steak. Look how thick that steak is. Wow. Yes. All right, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next upload video. Bye. Steak and egg, hash brown and French toast. Good combination. I guarantee.